Okay, so now we have to handle the uh, like the details part. Okay, so let's go back. Now let's commit all of the changes that we made. Okay, so let's close all of the unnecessary folders, files. Let's close this one too. And okay, so in our product top, we have our large images. So our this section is done. We have to move to the details section. So first of all, we have our title. So how are we getting the title from our data? If I come to the top, this is the meta tag variations. Where is the title? Mhm. Okay, this is the title. So we are getting it as name, right? So to do that, let's do uh, product dot name, right? Okay, let's see. Okay, we got our product. I think I added some gap here, but it didn't work for some reason. Okay, let's go back, and yes, I did add some gap. Oh, I said padding 30 pixel. I forgot to add some gap. Let's say gap of 30 pixel too. All right. Yes, now it works. And then for our text, we have 700 pixel. Size is 40 pixel. Okay, let's do that. So after our image gallery ends, so image gallery ends here, I will say dot details, and then to the I have to give it a name, class. Let's say class name title. Font size is 40 pixel. Font weight is 700. Okay, okay, looks good. I think I should give it a line height too. Let's give it the line height because it looks too cramped together. Line height 60 pixel. Okay, great. Then we have the rating. So for that, what we can do is let's do a div actually, because we have two things, our rating and the rating number together. So let's say div and give it a class name of rating. And now we can actually use the as we are using ndesign. Sorry, not here. Okay, so if we are using ndesign, let's go. Let's write rate. I think they have a component called rate. Yes, here. So we can just use this component for the rating. Okay, let's do that. So how does it work? What props do we have to give it? Uh, okay, rating. We're using a JavaScript and we have to give it a default value. So I think we are getting the default value from our products page. If I go back here, I have to find the rating. Okay, shipping, meta tags, gallery, variations, sales, log, categories, thumbnail, price, stock description, unit. Uh, there should be a rating count somewhere. Okay, let me check again. I guess not all products have ratings. Okay, let me check. Variations. Then we have product type, featured, names, flags, categories, brand, thumbnail, price, stock, description. Okay, I don't think we have rating with every like product. So let me get that from the previous project. It is okay. It is coming from rating count. So I'll just take the rating count. So here I will just import rate from design, and then I will say default value product dot rating count. And I also want it to be disabled. I don't want any interactions. And let's do style, font size 24 pixel. Okay, so we got it because we didn't have any rating count from our for this product, so the rating is empty. And then we also have to put the rating there. So to do that, I have to add another, let's say, p tag, and let's do product dot rating count and slash out of 5, right? Okay. Okay, so that's why I took a different div so that I can make it flex. Details, rating, can say display flex, gap of 10 pixel, items, align items, center. All right. Okay, didn't work. I think I didn't get the class right. Rating, rating. Oh, spelling mistake. Okay, so we have got our ratings. So if there is no rating, I think I should say if there is no rating count, it should be 0. Okay, now it looks better. Then what do we have? We have the price. So for our price, what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to take a state. You're going to find out why we are taking a state for price. Set, because remember we have different attributes and everything. So our prices will change dynamically according to attributes and variations. So that's why I'm taking it in a state. So after our use effect, I can say set price product dot price. Okay, then what I can do is I will take another div and say class name price. And I also have to count for the discount, right? So if I'm setting up everything from a variations, let's say these variations is the selected variant. That means I have selected color as black and size as S. So this variation is selected. So then I have a different stock, a different price, a discount type, also the variance. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get different states for those. So const discount set discount, and then I'm going to say use a state. Then initially discount is 0, and from here set discount. And how are we getting the discount? Initially inside a discount folder, discount dot value. So I'm going to do that, product dot discount dot value. And I'm also going to get a discount type, because discount type can be two types. You might remember from the last crash course that we have two type of discounts, flat discount and a percentage discount. So I'm going to take another state for that, discount type set discount type, use state, uh, let's keep it like empty string. And here, sorry, my bad. Here I want to say the discount type will be coming from product dot discount, and then discount type. Okay. So now according to our discount type, our price would be different, right? So if we have a discount, that means our discount is greater than 0. I want to render something. And if we don't have any discount, that means the discount is 0. Then I just want to render the like the actual price. So I'm going to name it, give it a span, and then I'm just going to simply render the price, right? So if there is there is no discount, I'm just simply rendering the price. And let's name it new price. So I think we did the same thing when we are working or developing or designing our product card, I think. So we are going to do the same thing here. We'll say new price. Uh, we have a parent class that is price. So let's wrap it up. And then inside new price, I'll say I have to add the styling. So it is font size 32 and font weight is 600. So font size 32 pixel, font weight is 600. Okay, I should put a $sign before it. Okay, now let's go back. I think we have some errors. Yep, we didn't set up any store. I just said 0. So let's copy paste it here. Okay, so this product has discount. That's why we are not showing it is not showing any price. So we have to handle that.